Morning grade 6s. We are continuing with patterns this week and we're going to be looking at exercise 63 on page 123. Now last week we used tables to work out the patterns. We would draw up a table as I've drawn up this one with the pattern number at the top and the number of matchsticks at the bottom. Now, exercise 63 works exactly the same way as the work we did last week, except now they're using stars, and then in question 2 they revert back to matchsticks again. So don't get scared off by the flow diagram. It works exactly the same as the table. So let me look at the table first and then show you how you would do a flow diagram instead of a table. For pattern number 1, I would have 4 stars. For pattern number 2, I would have 8 stars. For pattern number 3, I would have 12 stars. And for pattern number 4, I would have 16 stars. If I were to represent that in a flow diagram, I would have my pattern number on this side and my number of stars on this side. So pattern number 1 would have 4 stars. Pattern number 2 would have 8 stars. Pattern number 3 would have 12 stars. And pattern number 4 would have 16 stars. And the reason I knew it was times by 4 was from here. 1 times by 4 is 4. 2 times by 4 is 8. 3 times by 4 is 12. And 4 times by 4 is 16. So let's have a look at page 124. Number 1, A, B, and C are using stars. Number 2 is using matchsticks again. And you have been asked to show them in flow diagrams like this, as opposed to tables.